This is question 3 from exercise 2.1 in Project Maths 2. We have to simplify the expression 24a squared b squared over 3a squared b. And the way we're going to do that is by seeing what can divide into what in this. So we'll start off with 24a squared b squared all over 3a squared b. Okay, well 24 can be divided by 3. So if we divide that by 3, all we're left on top is 8. A squared divided by a squared will just leave us with 1. And b squared divided by b will leave us with b on top. Which means on top we have 8 times 1 times b, which is 8b. Now another way of looking at this, and this is just as a way of explanation rather than a method for doing this, is that when we multiply at fractions, so say we multiplied x over y times a over b. Well, when we do that, we multiply the top by top and the bottom by the bottom. So if we did this sum out, we would get ax over by. So similarly, given the fraction that we started with here, 24a squared b squared all over 3a squared b. Well, we could rewrite that to be a product. So we could have 24 over 3 multiplied by a squared over a squared multiplied by b squared over b. Because if we did this sum out, we'll get the exact same fraction we started with. And from here, it's much easier to see how we're doing our divisions out. 24 over 3 means 24 divided by 3, which is 8. A squared divided by a squared is 1. And b squared divided by b is b. And we multiply 8 by 1 by b, we just get 8b. And this bit here that I've done on the right is just by way of explanation. It'll be far easier to just do the method we have on the left where we cancel them out. But at least now you know how we're getting there. And that is that.